Hey folks, welcome back to the Western Southerner YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I replace and repair this mount for a jack stand on my truck camper. All right, so I backed into something, hit the jack stand, and it broke this bracket. So I have a replacement bracket I'm going to put on there, but you have to kind of prep and treat this and use butyl tape and Dicor to make sure it's all waterproof. Okay, I've never done this before, so if there's a better way to do it, tell me in the comments. I've already pulled this off, and I'll show you. Oh shit! So I pulled this off already, but okay, that's the butyl tape right there. Oof. Now the tricky part is my powder coat came off. You can see, and it's stuck to here, so I got to scrape that off. You can see the crack in there. So I cracked that, trashed it, it's all bent, doesn't work. Yeah, that must be butyl tape in between there. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Get that residue cleaned off, and all right, we're gonna hit it with the heat gun. Oh yeah, that's what you want. Okay, I think we got the surface prep. We took off the old bracket, scrape it with a scraper, hit it with a heat gun, scrape it more, brake cleaner, heat gun, scrape it more, brake cleaner. We're gonna go with this. All right, that's butyl tape. Dicor's kind of your go-to, so. All right, we'll put it up against that. Okay. Only one there. I guess we'll hit the Dicor in there. Ooh. Huh. Huh. This stuff's pretty cool. All right, chop in our Dicor. I think we're just gonna go for it. Okay. Okay, that one's in. That one's in. That one's in. The Riley's magnet comes in handy. Oh. I think I'm supposed to put a shed of Dicor on the screws or in the screw holes. So we'll just put a little bit on each of the threads here. Okay. Okay, I gotta go get on a meeting, and then I'm gonna come back and finish caulking it out. Okay, so I'm back out here. This actually seems like it's pretty close to being sealed up. I am gonna put a little bit more Dicor caulk around the edges just to, you know, make sure it's ultra waterproof. This is probably gonna look bad. Ooh, oh well. Holy moly, what a mess. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend using your finger to do this. It's probably super toxic, but it'll be all right. There's probably a tool and a technique that far exceeds the level of craftsmanship I'm demonstrating here. Okay, we're gonna quickly put the jack back on just to make sure that this is not damaged. I don't think it is, but we're gonna line it up and make sure everything's good to go. Oh, wow. All right, like I said, that may or may not be the proper protocol. Seems like it's pretty secure to me. You know, if a little bit's good, a lot's better when it comes to water sealing caulk and stuff. So hit like and subscribe, folks. Take care.